Uncle Lee's got the hurricane blues, y'all. But he's gonna be alright. He just found some chicken in his kitchen. And he rubbed that chicken down in some warm cooking on. He put it in a pot, made a little gravy, baby. He took some rice, covered that rice with that chicken, so now it's looking real nice. Cause you gotta love, gotta love, gotta love, gotta love, gotta love that chicken. Kim TV, you know you love my chicken. Brookie Tookie, you know you love my chicken. Lightning Liz and Natalie, y'all was at Books, y'all was digging my chicken. I said, my boy Cupid, won't you wobble for that chicken? Oh, you gotta love, gotta love, gotta love my chicken. Cause Uncle Lee's chicken is always kicking. So hurricane blues, y'all, I just can't lose.